What is up, Wacky Lure fam? So on this episode, I got some All-Clad 2 lacquer chrome, and we are going to try it out right now because I'm really excited about chrome and stuff. You know what I mean? I want to chrome everything, chrome the world, you know? Hashtag chrome the world. And let's get it. So the first thing we're going to be chroming is this little whopper plopper. So yeah. That's going to be the first thing we're chroming. As you can see, I built some shelves up here, which I really needed to hold all of my stuff. So, definitely way more organized. So, let's paint the plopper. What's all about? Whoa. Let's spill it everywhere, you retard. Well, that looks crazy. Okay, don't do that. Don't do what I just did. Waste it. All right, now let's see what the deal is. Okay, well that worked freaking fantastic. Freaking fantastic. I am extremely happy with that. Okay, so, boom. I got the Bucky's beaver right here. So since I bought this thing, I've been wanting to put like a gangster chain on them or something. But I think I'm going to chrome them out. I think we're gonna chrome this Bucky out. I'll take the sticker off and then chrome it up. I think it'll look badass, so let's try it out. So I remember the first time I saw a Bucky's gas station, I was like, man, this is ridiculous. It's like Disney World of truck stops, you know? All right, we got it off in one piece. Chrome in the Bucky's beaver. I think this is gonna look awesome. We're gonna find out though. Hey guys, I'm Bucky the beaver. Oh no, wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? No! I gotta make something to hold it so I can paint it. So I'm gonna cut this off and attach this to another board. Yeah. Section. Drill a hole in the middle of this thing. Don't gotta be perfect. Shwaya, shwaya. Boom. And we shout. Drill us a hole in this one. Well then, might not work as well as I thought, but I'm about to find out. Booyah! And boom. Okay guys, check that out. It's like 2 coats. So I'm doing this because I wanted to see what it looked like going over color. That way I can spray the color on it first and then spray the chrome over it. So I was wanting to see what it looked like, but man, that's... Pretty shiny. Let's keep going. Wow, I am really impressed. I mean, I almost used half of it, but man, this stuff shoots so easy, and I mean, the look of it is just different, especially over color like that. Like, you can see the regular color, and then when it shines, it's the chrome. It's crazy, crazy. Check that out. Let's get you over here. See, you can see the gloss on that. Check that out. I mean, that is just different. I would like to present to you the Bucky's Award. That's freaking awesome. Pop the sticker back on real quick, and the Bucky's Award will be complete. Hell yeah, Bucky's Award, cool. So now we're gonna get a little freaky with the paint on this thing. I'm gonna put eyes in it too, and I'm gonna go fishing with this thing and try to get a fish on it. So, yeah. So I think I'm gonna use yellow, black, orange, and red. I think I'm gonna use all these colors on this thing. So let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna pop some eyes in there. Which ones? Which ones? The yellow ones? Or the red ones? I think the yellow ones. I think I'm gonna do the yellow ones. You know, this is my nemesis, man. Super glue is my nemesis. My nemesis. That's all you need. That little dab. A little dab will do. No reason to get crazy with it. Yes. Starting to look like something now, ain't it? It's just badass. I love this Crome paint. Wow. Okay. Since this thing's plastic, I guess I'm just gonna hit it with some lacquer to give it a shine. To give it a shine. That's already looking badass. Put a couple more coats on that and this thing will be ready to go. To whop and flop. So it looks good, but I'm gonna add a little more personality to it, and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of this shifter paint just to give it a little more shine, just a little more shine. Kind of covered up most of the chrome, but we'll see what it looks like when it gets in the sun. And I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of it. So what I'm doing when I put the rag over the front of it is I'm actually mixing the reducer and the paint with the bubbles. Because when you cover it up, it makes bubbles and that mixes your paint. Yeah. That's it. Check it out, fam. So I got this boat a long time ago, and I have never messed with it because I knew it was going to be a nightmare. And I was right. But I got all the holes patched. This is roofing rubber with super glue. And there was another one over here. But I got it. This sat overnight, so I'm going to try to hook this thing up so I can go fishing with it. Hell yeah. We are at the lake. And I'm sorry if the camera quality goes down because I'm going to be using this on my head. So yeah, let's go try to catch a fish. Yeah. Oh, we out here. So that video was taken with my phone. I had the Wolfang camera on my head, and it's a cheap camera. It definitely is. Well, the arm controls, since I haven't used that in a while, the arm controls, the picture button is red, not the video button. And you would assume that it would have been the opposite of that. But like I said, I'm sorry I didn't get a video of the launch or of the whopper plopper. So I kind of hate that, but back to the rest of the video. Hey-yo. Keep drifting. I keep drifting, yeah. Oh yeah, I got the headphones in. I mean, we're doing it. We're doing it. Well, it looks like we're gonna get skunked again. It's beautiful out here, but I gotta find another fishing spot. I mean, I'm drop shotting it. I'm doing what I've used bottom rigs. I have used everything, and I got one bite on this freaking drop shot with a wacky rig on it. You know, it is wacky. All right, fam. The launch of the
I got one bite on this.
Wacky minnow was a success. So that was the main purpose of going out there, was seeing if the boat worked. So hell yeah, wacky minnow in action. That's what I'm talking about. And this is what I did to the boat, fam. I was in such a hurry. I got up early in the morning and I was trying to slap this thing together so I could get it out there on the water. So I didn't film any of it. I was in a rush. But I put a platform. I put a platform on the front so it'd be easier if I wanted to jump out and swim. It'd be easier to crawl in. And I locked that in. So that ain't coming off. But it's screwed so I can take it off when I need to change it, because that wood's probably not gonna last long. But it stayed pretty dry. And then I attached this board to the back here and then screwed my my Craftsman trade stack box on that, and then made really quick rod holders. I mean, I slapped this thing together with a quickness, but it worked. And when I said everything, that was only what I brought on the Wacky Minnow, because I did not trust them patches, and I didn't want all of my tackle boxes to get full of water. So that's why I brought a power bait worm. I brought a Cinco that I had hooked this way first, and then I wacky rigged it and fished it. I got a bite on that. And then I had homemade bottom rigs that I would hook up as a Carolina rig with a swivel and a weight at top. And then these two big old hook daddies down here with shrimp on them. And you leave the line loose, and you want that big catfish to come up and take a bite of everything. All them little fish and all that. That big fish sees that, and he just comes and takes a big old bite of everything. So that's what I was trying to do. It did not work out, but now that we got the boat, we can do a lot of things. I'm definitely going to find more fishing spots for us. So definitely going to be epic. Hell yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I also ended up meeting a couple cool people on the bank. They were right by where I launched the boat. I ended up giving them the whopper plopper, just because. Check out my channel, and I gave it to them. Luckily, I had a thumbnail though, a picture that I sent to a friend of mine, so I actually got the thumbnail for this. I just, I like giving people cool stuff. So I also had a pretty cool idea to airbrush wacky lures on t-shirts. And then if you catch me out in public fishing with one of them t-shirts on, I'll give you a lure. So I definitely want to do that in the future. I think that would be pretty cool to do. So a little interactive, you know what I mean? So hell yeah. So with all that being said, thank you to all my viewers, all my subscribers, like, share, all that, and keep it wacky, and y'all have a good one.